In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PolyBuzz AI account. We'll go from a blank browser to a brand new account in just a couple of minutes, keeping things simple and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or anything you like. The process is the same. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press Enter. In the results, look for the official site with the domain polybuzz.ai. It should show a secure connection with the lock icon in the address bar. Click that result to go to the home page. Once you're on the PolyBuzz website, find the login option, usually at the top right. Even if you don't have an account yet, this is the correct place to begin. PolyBuzz uses single sign-on, so the login button also starts the sign-up flow. Before you proceed, make sure you're already signed into the Google account you want to use in your browser. This helps avoid linking the wrong account. If you often switch between personal and work profiles, take a second to confirm the right one is active. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest and most reliable way to create your account. No new passwords to remember, and your identity is verified by Google. A Google window may appear asking you to pick an account. Select the account you want to associate with PolyBuzz. If you see a prompt to review permissions, read them briefly and click Continue. You're simply granting PolyBuzz access to basic info needed to create your profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in. That might be as simple as confirming your choice. If you use extra security on your Google account, such as a verification code or device prompt, just approve it as you normally would. After you confirm, PolyBuzz automatically creates your account using the Google details you're signed in with. There's nothing else you need to fill out right now. You should land in your PolyBuzz workspace already signed in and ready to go. That's it. To recap, search for PolyBuzz on Google, open the official polybuzz.ai site, click Login, verify you're on the right Google account, choose Continue with Google, follow the prompt, and your account is created automatically. For convenience, consider bookmarking the site for quick access later.